Hi Anthony, what are we doing today?
We're unboxing a new phone of the Moto G84 5G.
Ah, so we're staying with the Motorola series of phones.
Yes.
What happened to your old phone?
This is what happened.
It's
Fell
cracked.
face first in some concrete and
Even though it's got the silicon cover on it, it landed the wrong way.
Yeah.
It still works, but
Yes.
it doesn't look as good. How old is that phone?
4 years, 2020 model.
Okay, 2020 model.
Yeah.
And now we've got the new phone, which is the P...
G84 5G.
Okay, and that was released in 2023 August.
Oh, okay. So nice and new. There it is there. Still got all the...
Okay. And so there we've got our charger, which is a 30 watt charger.
I'm assuming so.
Yes, it's 30 watts.
Yeah.
And do we have a silicon cover as well?
Oh, it's already got a silicon cover.
Oh,
on
so
it.
look at that. Magenta.
Viva Magenta.
So why is it called Viva Magenta?
It's Latin for life and magenta. And I think the colour comes from the cochineal beetle. That's how you would get the dye for this colour, this colour here.
So in ancient history, they used cochineal beetles to produce that colour.
It's pretty accurate what they've got on the box to this.
Now, I heard that it's sort of like a leathery type finish on the cover.
It does look like that. I can see the texture of it. I don't want to take off the cover to find out.
No. Anyway, so what's the price like?
This was, what, $300?
Yeah, it was marked down.
From 400?
That's Australian dollars.
Yes. AUD.
Okay, and I'll run you through the spec. So what I was surprised, oh, look at that. Wow, nice.
Oh, it's a sticker.
Unpeeling. The surprising thing about this phone is that the memory in this is 12 gig. So my phone, I thought it was good. It had 8 gig, and this one has 12 gig, and your old phone has 4 gig of memory. And the pixel is 50 megapixels.
Yes.
And the front is 8 megapixels. The battery is 5,000 milliamp hours, so we'll see how long that lasts. But the good thing about the Motorola's is they don't put much... Hello, Moto. They don't put bloatware on it.
They got rid of that stupid button on the top that I hated.
Ah,
I think it would just call up a Google Assistant or something.
so let's see the side buttons.
It's just the power and then volume up and down.
Okay.
It's got...
And it's also got a fingerprint reader as well.
Yeah,
Is that on the back or on the side? Not sure yet.
No, I don't know.
So anyway, going through the specs, it is
English.
256 gig of internal storage. So that's pretty good. And the CPU is a Snapdragon 695. So I think it's about 60% faster than your old phone.
It's asking me to set up the SIM and then connect to the Wi-Fi. I'm just skipping those steps.
Okay.
Privacy.
What else do we know about it? It's a 5G phone. People think, well, it's 5G, so that's all it does. No, it does 3G, 4G, and 5G. So it does all the frequencies. And yeah, it's got fast charging. Android 13.
Oh, it's asking for a pin. Isn't there an option for there's like the draw pattern as well?
Yeah, setting up a phone and then transferring your data from your old phone to your new phone.
Here we go. I can choose pattern, pin, or password.
Choose them all.
Yeah, I'm gonna choose all of them. Man, avert your eyes. I don't want to.
Does it have face recognition, so you can open it with your face?
Yeah, I think so.
There's so many questions. Did your old phone have facial recognition?
Yes.
Oh, well, this is a new one, so it's going to have it. So again, the impressive thing about this phone is it's for the price, it's incredible, and the camera's good,
Lock with your fingerprint.
and the screen refresh is up to 120 hertz, so it's got high refresh rate, so the scrolling and that will look smooth, but that'll take more battery power. So, but you can toggle it down to 90 hertz apparently. Yes, but the thing that impressed me was the memory in this. Good CPU, heaps of memory, and it's got near field communication as well. So for that price, that's incredible. Anyway, it's going to take a while to set this phone up.
It's giving me the options of those buttons for the navigation or gestures. So the swipes or the buttons for back, menu, that sort of thing. That's nice.
Yeah. And you like the flick to turn on the flash and
Yes.
stuff like that when you're coming home late.
Probably late.
Yeah, you have to set it up first.
Yeah.
So your initial impressions before using it are what?
It feels nice to use. It's much lighter than this phone.
The screen size is 6.5, which is the same as your old one.
Yes, same size.
Yeah, but I think the beveled edges are actually narrower than the old phone.
Let's see what apps it has. So it's got some Google apps, pretty standard. Meet, Play Store, the call, text, Chrome, camera. Is there anything else?
So normally we put on Brave, so we get all the ads cut out.
So I think...
What's the scroll speed like? Just flick around.
Yeah, it's pretty good. It's got some weird...
Go to the camera and take a photo of the audience.
The audience. Welcome to Moto Camera. Yeah, not now.
All right.
Nice.
Cheers.
Hold on, let me focus on you. Nice.
All right. Let's. Wow. That's very nice. Look at the model.
Yeah, it didn't look that good, and then afterward it polished it. And
Apparently, at 50 megapixels, it then averages it down to 4 megapixels. So it compares the pixels and then takes the best pixel for low light conditions. So you can fill in low light conditions so you get less graininess, apparently. And a selfie, the old selfie.
oh, that's right. Hold on. It's probably asking me to. I'll go back. Oh, there we go. Selfie, huh? Portrait. Is that what they call? No. Photo and then swap the camera.
All right. Cheese. So that's the 8 megapixel selfie mode. Does it look okay?
Yeah, looks high quality. I don't know how well it'll pick up on your phone looking at a phone.
Well, worlds within worlds.
Because it's fresh, it's snappy. I don't know why.
And I believe there's all sorts of filters and enhancers there for cameras, so you can beautify yourself.
Oh, there is a button for beautifying, yeah.
Yeah,
Big eyes,
100%.
slimmer face, slimmer nose, toning, smoothing. Jeez.
Wow, that's for the girls.
No, it's for me. I need to.
It's a lie, I
need
tell
to
you.
look good.
It's a lie. All I could do was taking out the wrinkles, I can tell you that.
It's got a recorder.
So are you happy so far with the phone?
Yes, I think I'm very happy.
And-
I don't like this default, what do you call it, background image. Not sure about this clock, I'd probably change it, but it looks like they've set it to match the...
There's probably themes on there that you can swap out.
I'm getting all these notifications asking to set up.
All right. So are you going to leave it with this silicon case, or are you going to swap it out for something else?
Probably going to leave the silicon case and then might get a screen protector.
Yeah, because I did read something about it not supporting the highest level of Gorilla Glass. There's lots of different levels of Gorilla Glass. So this probably isn't the highest level that you get with a premium chip mobile phone. All right, so let's wrap it up for our viewers. The unboxing of the...
What's that? Moto G84 5G.
Yes, very impressed so far. And what a price.
Quite light.
Yeah. And the colour. Oh, the beetles that went into that colour.
Yeah, many beetles.
Yeah. Now there was a choice of 3 colours. There was the bluish white, and then there was
Marshmallow blue, and
Marsh-
then someone know eggshell colour
Yeah.
or something.
I think red was the way to go.
Yeah.
What a classy phone. All right. Hope everyone enjoyed that review of the mobile G84
5G.
5G. And we'll see how long this phone lasts.
Bon voyage.
No, I'm not going to jinx you. It should last for another 4 years.
Yeah.
Signing off. Bye, viewers.
Bye bye.